time in Greece at the moment. I thought, whilst I'm here, I've got some free time, might as well make a few videos. But today, we could look at tips on different landscape photography and how to make your photos different, stand out from other people. Let's hop into it. Alright, so tip number one is look at your landscape, but look for the details in it. As you can see here, I've got beautiful landscape here, which is filled with loads and loads of colour. Quite hard to take good photos of the entire thing. So I'm going to focus on one bit of it. Just like, there's a building down there. I focus on the building and I capture the building and everything behind it. This allows me to still get the landscape in, but also get something in there which is focused on. Just draw your eye in. So my second tip is to look for different angles. Don't just go for the generic landscape shot. Go for some portrait, shoot through some leaves and stuff, shoot through some trees. A bit more depth to it. Shooting through something makes it unique. Not really sure how it's pronounced. The sun is setting over there. You need to look for different angles when taking landscape photography and get a subject in. So I've already spoken about getting different angles, but another good tip is to get a subject involved. So I'm going to get my brother down in the background, focused on him to give the image some more kind of meaning. Kind of tells a story in itself, which is what all art is really. It's trying to tell a story in ways that people or you interpret it. I'm gonna put the video down, start getting some photos.